How to turn on contact sharing on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now head towards the option of AirDrop. Check in for the option of Everyone for 10 minutes or Contacts only. Then enable for this option of Bringing devices together. Once enable for these options, close this, launch your Contacts app. At the top, you'll see the option of My Card. You have to click on that option and set up your contact. Type in your phone number likewise email address. Once you set up that, click on the option of Contact Photo and Poster. Update your name and photo. Click on Continue. Now from here, you can type in your name, likewise choose your poster. Once you're done setting up the name and selecting your poster, click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Once you land to this page here, you're going to find the option of name and photo sharing. Enable for this option. And just with that, you have turned on contact sharing on iPhone. Also here, you'll see the option of share automatically. You can set it to always ask or contacts only. And then you can click on done. So this way you can easily turn on contact sharing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.